Greetings, dear friends. When hunger strikes and the wait for delivery feels endless, a simple glance at your refrigerator staples is all you need to conjure a delightful, convenient skillet egg pizza. Let us step into the sanctuary of Cooking Tips 5S for a quick and gourmet culinary escape. Dish 1. Perfectly authentic Japanese onsen tamago. Achieving the quintessential onsen egg is wonderfully effortless. Simply prepare a small vessel, pouring in 20 milliliters of cool, refreshing water, followed by 90 milliliters of boiling water. Gently nestle the egg into this tempered bath, sealing the vessel with foil to cradle the warmth. Let it rest in peaceful stillness for exactly 20 minutes. At the end of this journey, the egg reaches a state of sublime perfection. The white takes on a tender, jelly-like consistency, while the yolk transforms into a rich, velvety custard. Simply release it into a bowl, drizzle with a whisper of premium soy sauce, and indulge in a nourishing delicacy that dissolves instantly upon the tongue. Dish 2. Express Stovetop Egg Pizza. This dish is a rapid tribute to the ingredients already waiting on your cutting board. Savoury smoked bacon, fresh eggs, shredded cheese, earthy shiitake mushrooms, tomatoes, crisp onion, and vibrant red and green bell peppers. We begin by expertly slicing the onion. Followed by the bell peppers and the fragrant shiitake mushrooms. Finally, we cut the smoked bacon into delicate ribbons. Crack 3 farm-fresh eggs into a bowl, seasoning with a touch of salt, cracked black pepper, and dried rosemary. Whisk rhythmically until the mixture marries into a luminous golden ribbon. Gloss your skillet with a veil of oil, arranging the crimson tomato slices across the base. Pour the golden egg mixture over them, then artfully scatter the onions, bell peppers, and mushroom slices across the surface. Crown the creation with the ribbons of bacon and a dusting of fresh scallions. Cover the skillet, allowing it to simmer over a gentle, low flame. As the eggs reach a pillowy doneness, shower the surface with a generous layer of shredded cheese. Recover briefly, waiting for the gentle heat to coax the cheese into a glorious molten melt. A hearty egg pizza, brimming with vibrant vegetables and rich, bubbling cheese, is ready to be served. It is swift, convenient, and entirely satisfying. No delivery wait time required.